हेलो एवरीबॉडी, माई सेल्फ पारस साहनी, थर्ड इंजीनियर। तो सर एक और क्वेश्चन है सर, आपसे पूछना है। सर आपने क्या सेलिंग छोड़ दी है?
हाँ, I specifically wanted Paras to ask this question. Paras is from Dehradun. He came here just to have an interaction with me, and I said, "Come, let's make videos," because I think that's what my job, primary job these days is. So I told him, "Yeah, a lot of people are asking me this question all the time. Sir, have you left sailing? Have you left sailing?" So I thought I have to give them an answer. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So the first thing that I want to tell each and every one of you, I have not quit sailing. I have delayed the process, but I have not quit sailing. Rather recently, I have got my US visa, interview done, everything done. All my documents are completely spick and span in ready condition. Number one reason is, what if some emergency comes at my home? If I am lacking funds, I can immediately go on ship, and I should not be asking any of my friends, Paras, थोड़े पैसे दे दे या इधर से पैसे दे दो. That is one thing that Merchant Navy has given me. Second thing, when I had come from my last ship, I had thought कि मैं एक लॉन्ग ब्रेक लूंगा विच वॉज ऑफ 2 years, जिसमें से अराउंड 18 months के आसपास निकल चुके हैं. Another 6 months are remaining. So I had thought कि these 2 years I am going to concentrate on something that I am really passionate about. I really want to create a difference in people's mind, and if I'll be able to do that, then I'll decide what I have to do. So you must be seeing that since last 18 months I have been quite active on Instagram, on social media, developing good content for Merchant Navy Decoded, and even on GMD Academy as well. So now in the last 18 months I have seen some good results happening, whether at GMD Academy, whether at Merchant Navy Decoded, whether in the form of YouTube, whether in the form of Instagram, because wherever I'm going, I'm getting a lot of recognition and people are accepting and respecting what I'm saying, because it directly comes from the heart. So now I'm afraid, I'm sharing my fear right now, कि if I go on ship this time, say after 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months, for a 6 months period or 5 months period, because if I'll be going for a 6 months period, because I have to cover my NRI time as well, right? So that 6 months will deviate me for the, it will, whatever work that I have done in the last 2 years, it will go down the drain. Because even my father says this, if you're a shopkeeper, you leave your shop for one day, it gives you, it tends you to drag you back for the next 3 days. Similarly, I have seen in the past as well, we have been running GMD Academy since 2017, that 6 months I am here, 6 months my partner is over here, and 6 months I am on ship. So it was, we both are two different personalities, so we could see that always when both of us are here, the rise is better, we can make a better differentiation. But when one of us is here, the challenges are more and we see a downtrend happening. And then I have met a lot of people as well from the maritime fraternity, like Captain Dhruv Sani from Ship's Guard, and many more seniors of mine who are right now trying to do something different. So they told me that if you take a 6 months gap, then forget whatever you have done right now, you'll have to start back from scratch again. Now that has become a fear in my life. I have given my 18 to 19 months over here. If I go for such a long period of time, all my hard work will get discontinued. All my efforts will go all in vain, which I really do not want. Yes, money is a concern. Yes, whatever Merchant Navy can give me, it can definitely not be made in terms of Merchant Navy Decoded or GMD Academy, that's for sure. But at times, you love bigger challenges. You like to create an impact in people's life, and I'm loving that thing right now. So, honestly speaking, I really do not know when I'm going to go on ship. My father is behind me all the time. Ship पे कब जा रहा है? Ship पे कब जा रहा है? Ship पे कब जा रहा है? And on the other hand, when I'm meeting these people are telling me, if you go on ship for 6 months, you're going to start back again. So those fears are there, which are not letting me go as of now. Well, the time will tell, and I'll keep you updated. As of now, I really don't have a clue, and I just pray to God, Mata Rani, जो भी करना अच्छे के लिए करना. Last but not the least, I believe this strongly. मन की हो तो अच्छा, मन की ना हो तो और भी अच्छा. क्योंकि जब आपके मन की नहीं होती तो ऊपर वाले की मर्जी की होती है, और वो बहुत अच्छे से जानता है कि हमारी भलाई किस में. सो टुमारो इफ आई एम गोइंग ऑन शिप, ही हैज डिसाइडेड. इफ आई एम नॉट गोइंग ऑन शिप, ही हैज डिसाइडेड. आई एम जस्ट डूइंग माय वर्क honestly with an honest intent to create an impact in people's life. If I'm successful, he will take care of me. If I'm unsuccessful, he will send back he will send me back to ship. That's all from my end. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.
जय माता दी।